Hey everyone, welcome back to Coded Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the free assets for FAB. So if you head over to the limited time free, there are three new assets that just released free until March 11th, 10 a.m. So let's go ahead and check these out. So first up, we got this Sci-fi Biome Jungle by KK Design. Looks pretty realistic, but can't wait to see it in the engine. Looks really nice. And then we also have this Elf Arden stylized animated RPG character. So it's already attached to the Epic Skeleton for 4.0 and 5.0, game ready controller, change setting instances, and so on. Looks pretty cool. And we also have these wooden prop environment pack, very modular, and honestly looks really cool. So let's go take a look at it inside Unreal Engine. By the way, Fab had an update and now their Discover tab is on the left. It's actually pretty nice to see the UI change a bit. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at these free assets in the engine. Don't forget to add these to your cart and just check out and get these for free. So first up, we got the wooden props. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. You can see they are pretty detailed. I do like how these look actually. They look really nice. So if you're looking to make some kind of dock or maybe even like a horror game, because the texture is very dark and a bit spooky in my opinion. So maybe yeah, you could probably use these for like a horror game, some sort of seaside dock if you like the whole dark theme and so on. And let me actually check if it comes with different materials. So it looks like it doesn't. You do get this one color and that's totally fine. But yeah, overall pretty cool asset pack. Do like how these are looking. Why is it like this? Oh, I think there's supposed to be poles here and so on. Let's go ahead and take a look at the meshes. Maybe you can add them yourself. So there's static meshes, single parts. Yeah, so you can go ahead and add these however you'd like. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, just a lot of static meshes that you can piece together. Very modular. And yeah, overall a great looking asset. Now let's go over to the the Elf Arden. Take a look at the demo. And let's see. When I hit play, I have this character. When I left click, I have this sword attack. I can't move my camera for some reason. Right click is punching or sheathing, I guess. A little weird on this demo map. Let's go ahead and change this to let's check out a different demo actually. So we'll go to the UE4 demo. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing. I guess it's intentional. It's not really a character controller that it came with. So we can just take a look at the animations that it comes with. So very stylized. You have this punch animation, I guess like a heavier punch animation, really dramatic death. There's jump animations, and it's rigged to the epic skeleton. So you have your default UE Manny animations going on here. It's also modular, so you can see all the pieces detached from each other over here. The shirt, the pants, everything's off. This guy's completely naked, even the hair. Running with a weapon, running without, jumping with a weapon, jumping without, and so on. And feel free to use this however you want. Pretty cool character. This is the Sci-Fi Jungle Pack by KK Design. This looks something straight out of like Avatar or some sort of sci-fi movie. It actually looks really, really nice. I'm loving the foliage. I'm loving how much the movement is on the nature. It gives it a very windy, realistic nature vibe. And yeah, just a very overall realistic uh graphic pack. Really liking how these nature assets look. I feel like this would be really good for any really type of MMO, even some sort of really story-based game, kind of giving me Monster Hunter vibes as well. And yeah, everything in this just looks gorgeous. I love the lighting, love this level. And yeah, overall, just an amazing pack. Definitely worth. Can't believe this is free. This is actually one of the better packs that have been free in quite a while. And that pretty much covers it for the free of the week. And by the way, just wanted to update everyone that Cinti is having their super sale up to 70% off a ton of packs. So this is from 150 down to 45, 100 down to $30. and so on. It's just super cheap, low poly, stylized deals. You can use them in whatever game engine, Godot, Unity, Unreal, pretty much anywhere that you want. They are pretty nice. They look really nice. They have a really great style to it. If you want to support my channel, feel free to use my affiliate link for these Cinti assets using the link in the description below, as well as this new Godot 4 Mega Polygon Assets Bundle has just released. If you want to support my channel, you can also get this with the Humble Bundle link below. This comes with a ton of assets such as the Survival Medical Kit, Survival Tools, Survival Kit again, weapons, construction, food, nature, and so on. These are all specially for Godot, which is around really close to their new 4.3 or 4.4 release, which is going to cover a ton of new features, which I will be going over in a video in the future once it's actually fully released. So yeah, feel free to stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching Code Zero. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.